When it comes to roof repairs or roof replacements, one of the biggest challenges people have is finding the best price for a new roof or price for roof repair to an existing roof. Do you know the biggest mistake made when looking to find out more about the cost of a new roof? One of the biggest mistakes people make is not searching for the best price for a new roof or roof repair. You want to find the most affordable and reliable roofing contractor to fix your roofing issues. One that will provide a free quote or estimate on the cost of a new roof or roof repairs. You might be like some people who want to make it easier to compare the cost of getting a new roof or the cost of roof repair for the issues you are facing. When is the right time to call an affordable roofing company? If you notice signs of leaks or other damages, it's always best to call in the professionals. Most people aren't comfortable climbing on top of the roof and don't have the skills required to perform proper repairs. Hiring a professional roofing contractor is always your best bet to ensure your safety. We can help with free roofing quotes and estimates for the cost of roof repairs. Sometimes it may be you just need a small roof repair, or there may be underlying issues that may require a roof replacement. It is always best to have it inspected by a certified roofing contractor. There is a good chance that your homeowner's insurance will cover the cost of a roof repair or roof replacement, so it will not cause further issues to your home. Now, we work with your insurance company to provide the exact information they need to know to make a decision on what they need to do to help. When is roof replacement needed? If the time has come to have your roof replaced, be sure to get more than one quote. Make sure the companies you choose is fully bonded, licensed, and insured. It's always a good idea to ask friends and family for recommendations and follow up on any references you are given. Make sure the roofing company has priced their service in line with what they intend to fix. Sometimes, the cheapest hourly rate is not the best. Ready to get a free quote on the cost of roof repair or the price for a new roof? We relieve the stress of not knowing what to do in the case of roofing issues. Call us now.